this is the best part of cooking. Like, after you cook, you're gonna eat your own dish because nobody's gonna like your dish. I tried so many times cooking before, and I was so excited to share it with other people, but then at the end of the day, it's just me who can eat, or yeah, it's just me who eats my own dish. So I'm so happy for this, you know? Not all of us can do the same thing. Diet na ako mamaya. Diet na ako mamaya. After this, I'm not gonna have any dessert. This is my last meal for the day. How cool is that? This is suggested by my future husband. Kumain daw ako ng maling. Good for the heart. Ano talaga sabi ko? Maybe this time, kailangan ko nang magluto. Hindi naman araw-araw pwedeng kumain ka sa restaurant, right? We're gonna cook and prepare dinner. Ganito lang ka-easy yan. Tama ba? Bahala na. Yan. So, ganyan lang. Tutorial to on how to open candles. Just open our luncheon meat. So, ito favorite ko ni Ate M. So, since isa na lang natitira, ako na atang nakaubos nito. Para sa kanya kasi ito eh. Pero, wala akong makain. So, sorry si M. Kung ito ang iyong corn. Once you open the top one, just make sure na maglagay kayo ng hole sa bottom niya. Kahit konti lang. Para lumabas. And ganyan lang. Yay! Thank you. I'm just gonna consume half of it kasi hindi ko siya maubos kasi sobrang laki niya. Yan. So usually, I normally don't put anything on it, or sometimes I just put egg with it, but today we're not gonna put anything. I just make it simple like this. I think there's 3 recipes in maling. First, you can use sugar to make it taste a little bit sweet if you want it sweet. And the second one, you can use eggs as well. So I have eggs right here. So ayan siya. I have a lot of eggs right here. Pero hindi ko siya gagamitin kasi ayoko. Normally, I only use bread knife to cut anything, any kind of food. Of course, make sure you wash your hands before and after you cook. So now we're gonna start our cooking session using our... Ano ang tawag dito, be? Frying pan. Meron na pala akong rice na inihanda. So this is the rice cooker. I cook rice so well. Ayan pala, ready-made na pala siya. Galing siya sa refrigerator. So, ayan, I just keep it warm like this. So, ito na pong ating maling. Ang mga ingredients niyan ay... Oh my God! Ingredient is, first of all, cooking oil. I'm using the vegetable oil the vegetable oil. Yeah. First of all, we have to turn on the electric stove. If you think that it's hot enough, you just pour a little bit of vegetable oil. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil, any kind of oil. So yan, thank you so much Publix for our vegetable oil today. So we're just gonna wait a little bit. Yan, naluluto na yung bottom ng pan. Oo, na patang maluto yung bottom ng pan. Mahilig ako sa egg. Ay! Oh! Oh my god. So I got this from the Filipino store nearby my house. Like 3 to 4 minutes drive from here. And I purchased it like 2 months ago. I don't know if it's still okay. But, oh my god, let us. I think it's hot enough already. We're just gonna pour a little bit of it here. I just lowered down the temperature of the electric stove, if that's what it's called. No. So, I think just spread the oil on the pan. Unlike when you're in the Philippines, if you buy, ano tawag dito sa Tagalog? If you buy itlog na maalat, yeah. Itlog na maalat sa market, they already like prepared like this. You don't have to like open it like this. So yeah, while we're waiting for this to heat up a little bit more, we're gonna prepare our itlog na maalat. So we only use this kasi ayaw namin mag-wash. Wala yung shield ko! Without you! This is the shield of Captain America. Let's get started! Wala lang aking protection. So, hindi tayo nakakasigurong mapoprotek ang aking buong katawan. So, I'm the luckiest girl right now kasi this is the last tomato we have in our refrigerator. And I'm so thankful. Hashtag life is random. So, this is how I cut my tomato. Parang nagkakat lang ako ng lemon, my god. Kasi akong marunong magluto, kaya ganyan ako. Ang hirap talagang maging cook. Pabalatan na natin ang itlog ni Limuel. So, this is how you open the dark salted egg. You smash it like this. Oh! Wow! Okay pa ba to? Bakit parang may mga nabubuhay na organism? Yan siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung okay pa yan. Parang may mga maliliit na Kapag ako inasama mo, araw-araw, maling ang ulam natin. Kahit anong klaseng maling. Plain maling, or sweetened maling, or maling with egg. Any kind of maling. Isa-serve ko sa adobong maling, whatever. Here in America, we don't call it tissue because tissue is only for restroom use. We call it napkin. And the other kind of napkin, we call it sanitary napkin. So if you're in the restaurant and if you ask for some tissue, they're gonna give you the toilet paper. Yeah, that's... So hindi nag-work ang ating plan A. Ang ating plan B ay use the microwave. So, huwag niyo akong gayahin. Using microwave every day is not good for you. Okay? Yeah, I think so. Because, it has an electric something inside. It uses electric energy from the inside, so maybe it's gonna. So I'm gonna press 1 minute. So maybe it's gonna affect the food. I don't know how to explain it. Wow. I think that's pretty much it for this. Turn it off. Don't forget to turn it off. So I still have this corned beef right here. This is the second day of the corned beef. I had it yesterday and I didn't finish the whole thing. I think it's ready. Ooh. 1 is enough. 1 minute is enough to heat the rice. So let's just gonna put it there for a while. And I think we're almost finished with our maling. Sorry guys I need concentration for this. So this is how I do it. To lessen the oil from the maling, I put the napkin on top of the plate, and I think it's just gonna absorb the oil from the maling, because I use too much oil to cook the maling. And oh my god, I feel like this is the best maling I've ever had. So yeah, we're just gonna smash. Is that how you call it? Smash the itlog na maalat. Like this. Ooh, sarap. Parang nakita ko may ibon. Baka mamaya maging... Yes! Ang sarap ng ulam natin. Ang sarap ng dinner natin today. So, since this corned beef is... I think it's frozen already. I don't know why it's frozen. I just keep it here inside the microwave. That's the 2-year-old corned beef right there that you see. And I had the corned beef this morning. I had it yesterday too. My breakfast and dinner, I think. Breakfast and lunch. So I'm not gonna eat the corned beef anymore. Sawang-sawa na ako sa corned beef. Araw-araw na lang canned goods. So, that is it guys for my dinner today. I kinda know how to cook now. Pretty much. Look at this recipe. This is the salted duck egg. Salted duck egg with tomato cubes. So yeah, I just mash it like this. I don't know if it looks delicious, but I think it's gonna taste delicious. So my second dish is the plain maling. Ayan siya, plain maling. So this is inspired by the traditional maling in the Philippines. And I am proud to be a Filipina. A Filipina who knows how to cook maling and who knows how to prepare duck salted egg. So this is the most awaited part. Eating our food. Prepared by yours truly. Kain na po tayo. Let's try. Sarap! Narinig mo yung sound ng ano ko, tiyan ko, humulo na. Kasi gutom na ako. You have to appreciate your own cooking style. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung okay pa yung salted egg. Kasi, remember, I showed you. Pero okay pa naman. Siguro buhay pa ako pagtas ko lumamon. I mean, not to worry about it. It tastes good. Oh my God, naubos ko yung kanin. Maling is nothing without ketchup. Parang ako, I am nothing without you.
Tayo na lang dalawa, tayo na lang magsama, tayo na lang dalawa.
Ang init! Ah! I love you!
Tayo na lang dalawa, tayo na lang magsama.
Meron po akong extension. Nakatingting. Na-try po natin na kung kuryente ko. 1, 2, 3. I love you!
Tayo na lang dalawa, tayo na lang magsama.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video now. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, if you have any suggestion, just comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Suggest kayo next time kung ano pang gusto nyong makitang talent ko sa pagluluto, ha?